How to integrate Freshdesk with Microsoft Teams. Integrating Freshdesk with Microsoft Teams can enhance your support teams, collaborations, and efficiency. So here is how to do it. The first step is to log in into your Freshdesk account, where you can see your dashboard. You can see other options on your dashboard. Then by the left side of the screen, you will see a menu. It's many options like tickets, contact companies, solutions, forums, analytics, admin, and then others. And then once you can see this, the next step is to go to the marketplace. And how is it located? It's located by the top right corner of the screen, where you can see your profile icon. Next to that, you will see the marketplace icon. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see marketplace apps, you'll see popular apps. Under the popular apps, you'll see Google Calendar, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. Just go ahead and click on the Microsoft Teams. Since we are trying to integrate um Freshdesk with Microsoft Teams. So after selecting Microsoft Teams, you'll be brought to this page. Okay. But first of all, wait for it to load. So once that's loaded, you can see get more out of your Freshworks product. So scroll down and then you can see Microsoft Teams. Just go ahead and select it. Then after selecting it, you'll be brought to the Microsoft Teams page. On this page, ensure you click on install, and then once you click on install, you'll be redirected to another page. So on this page, you'll be asked to sign in into your Microsoft account. Ensure you enter in your Microsoft account credentials, accept the permission request to authorize the connection, and then once it's installed, agents using the same Microsoft account on both Freshdesk and Microsoft Teams would be linked automatically to your Freshdesk account, and then you can now use your Microsoft Teams to enable ticket management within your account. So this is how it works. Okay, very simple. Just ensure you try this out. Thanks for